In the vibrant landscape of Philippine science and technology, the Industrial Technology Development Institute or ITDI stands as a cornerstone of innovation and progress. Established as a vital arm of the Department of Science and Technology, it has played a crucial role in shaping the early foundations of our nation's technological advancements. DOST-ITDI traces its origins back to 1901 as the Bureau of Government Laboratories, later evolving into the Bureau of Science, Institute of Science, and then the Institute of Science and Technology. In 1956, IST became the National Scientific and Industrial Research Institute or NSIRI under the then National Science Board. In 1958, as the NSB became the National Science Development Board or NSDB, NSIRI became the National Institute of Science and Technology or NIST, thus marking the beginning of industrial research and development in the country. NSDB eventually became the National Science and Technology Authority or NSTA, with NIST among its R&D institutes. The transformation continued in 1987 when the NSTA becoming the DOST we know today. The Materials Science Research Institute or MSRI was merged with NIST, forming the Industrial Technology Development Institute or ITDI. It focused on four major functions: research and development, technical services, technology transfer, and serving as the custodian of national measurement standards for international traceability. ITDI has played a crucial role in shaping the research and development landscape of the Philippines. Through innovation and technology transfer, ITDI paved the way for new businesses and startups, serving as a springboard for growth and prosperity in the Philippine economy. DOST-ITDI programs and projects are anchored on DOST's four strategic pillars, namely human well-being, wealth creation, wealth protection, and sustainability. These trusts are achieved through its 5 R&D divisions, who report to the Office of the Deputy Director for R&D, and 3 technical service divisions and 3 support divisions, who report to the Office of the Deputy Director for Administrative and Technical Services. FPD undertakes the R&D in food processing, including the development and improvement of food products and processes, alternative ingredients and utilization of byproducts, development of food safety standards, and the development and scale-up of equipment that help make food processing more efficient and cost-effective, such as in its Food Innovation Centers and the Food Trip Truck. CED undertakes R&D in the fields of chemicals, fuels, pharmaceuticals, and energy systems. These include industrial chemicals, biofuels and fixed oils, alternative energy solutions, essential oils and pharmaceuticals, and the development of various equipment and product prototypes. Among its key lab facilities are the Modular Multi-Industry Innovation Center and the Fuel Cell R&D and Testing Center. MSD conducts R&D on materials science and engineering, especially in the areas of new and advanced materials, surface engineering, and special materials. These include polymers, composites, natural fibers, ceramics and minerals, water purification and membrane technology, additive manufacturing, nanotechnology, and surface coatings and treatments, among others. PTD conducts R&D and technical services on packaging food and non-food products, including transport packaging testing, branding and packaging design, packaging safety, and green and sustainable packaging. EBD is the division doing environmental R&D, such as on cleaner production, industrial fermentation, microbial treatment, and wastewater and solid waste management. It has also played a major role in the virology and vaccine research program, housing the Biosafety Level 2+ laboratory and related labs. The NMD serves as ITDI's National Metrology Lab, establishing, maintaining, and disseminating national measurement standards for mass, temperature, pressure, voltage, frequency, length, and luminous intensity, among others. Among its facilities are the Metrology and Chemistry Lab and the Airspeed Lab. STD provides biological, chemical, and physical and performance testing of materials and products. Among its labs are the Laboratory Animal Facility for ethical breeding of lab animals for drug discovery and the Halal Cosmetics Lab for developing compliant personal care products for the growing Muslim market. The Technological Services Division facilitates technology transfer and promotes ITDI developed R&D innovations, processes, and technical services. These are done through Technofora, FGDs, trainings, exhibits, tours, and through other IEC materials, and provides various communications and engineering services. PMIS-D ensures preparation of the Institute's plan and programs for implementation, monitors and evaluates its programs, activities, and projects, reviews existing and new organizational policies for improved operations and processes, implements appropriate information systems for the projects, services, and other activities of the Institute, and responds to requests for technical support on all ICT components. The Finance and Management Division undertakes accounting and budget functions, advises management on financial matters, provides other support services needed by the Institute, and contributes in the planning and implementation of the Institute's programs and projects. Finally, the Administrative Division supports human resources, procurement, and records management, ensuring smooth operations across all divisions.
For more than 123 years, the Industrial Technology Development Institute of the Department of Science and Technology had been serving and shall continue to serve by providing Philippine industries, MSMEs, the private sector, and the academe with innovative technologies, effective solutions, improved processes, quality technical services, and state-of-the-art facilities that would make them more efficient, cost-effective, and globally competitive. With this trust, I, as the Director, am confident and optimistic for the future of science, technology, and innovation as we continue to innovate and build and sustain our linkages with our stakeholders, especially the Philippine industries. Let us continue to work together, inspired by technology, driven by innovation.
Through groundbreaking research, sustainable solutions, and the dedication to improving lives, ITDI forges a future where progress is driven by powerful Filipino minds. Together, we build a nation powered by science, technology, and innovation for the benefit of all. Let us all be inspired by technology, driven by innovation.